As civilization progresses, more and more people pour into the cities for better life and livelihood. Cities swell with people. In developing countries like India, the influx of so many people, more often than not, lead to uneven and unplanned urban spaces, making the citizens more vulnerable to natural disasters. Urbanization surpassed rural population in year 2008. According to World Disasters Report 2010, 2.57 billion urban dwellers living in low and middle income nations are exposed to unacceptable levels of risk fueled by rapid urbanization, poor local governance, population growth, poor health services. Similarly, UN Habitat estimates by 2030 over 60% of the world's population will live in cities. And when disasters strike this unorganized urban growth, the impact is catastrophic, leading to huge losses of life and property. These disasters produce an economic, environmental, and social destruction that takes away works of generation and takes generation to repair it. However, thankfully, things are changing for better. Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa province, is one of the fastest growing cities located in the eastern part of India. Functioning as an administrative city and hub for tertiary economic activities like services, trade and commerce, Bhubaneswar is fast emerging as a preferred destination of health services and higher education for the state and eastern India. Bhubaneswar is one of the few cities in the world that has surpassed its planned project population in every decade. Designed by German architect and city planner Dr. Otto H. Koenigsberger in 1948, the master plan so prepared covered an area of 16.48 km² with a density of 10 to 12 families per acre for 40,000 population. But during 1961 to 71, it overtook the figure with a growth rate of about 176.07%, which was highest in the country. Present population of the city is approximately 1,200,000, and it is projected by 2030 Bhubaneswar will have population of about 2 million. With 135 square kilometer municipal area and 233 square kilometer developmental area, the future city economy is likely to be driven by the core subsectors like tourism, knowledge-based industries, small-scale and household services that would attract more people. If one travels from Hyderabad in south to Kolkata in the north, one will come across Bhubaneswar with cities like Kharagpur, Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Cuttack, Khurda, Berhampur, Visakhapatnam, all in hours distance from the city. With big investments proposed in these cities, this is the emerging megalopolis of eastern India in days to come. According to LD Stamp, Bhubaneswar and its surrounding comes under B category, which implies heavy rainfall varying from 101.6 centimeters to 232.2 centimeters. The annual mean temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius during the year.
Due to dry wind from northwest part of India coming towards Orissa or this Bay of Bengal, so it is causing rise in temperature.
Humidity remains high during the month of July to September.
Heat wave जो duration टा सेटा बढ़ चलचे जमती हमें कहबा कि above 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस अधिक केते दिन हेची प्रथम दशक माने 1970 दशक रे 1971 टू 1979 भितरे गुटे दिन थिला ता 80 दशक रे मत नोटे नथिला तापर दशक रे बढ़ला 2 रिसेंट दशक रे बढ़ी पता 9 दिन अर्थात above 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस बढ़ी तेणु यही तापमात्रा बढ़ बढ़ी जाऊँगी ता सहित आम बर्तमान कि हेवी आम कह बर्तमान तापमात्रा कहीं बढ़ुଛି भुवनेश्वर तार केतुड़े कारण भितर गोटे प्रमुख कारण होती जलवायु परिवर्तन निश्चय.
The indications from the region's history of disasters are a grim reminder of what could be in store. Bhubaneswar has been teetering from one extreme weather condition to another, from heat waves to cyclones to floods. The multi-hazard map of Orissa identified Bhubaneswar under very high risk zone B, where the wind speed goes up to 50 meters per second. The city is also vulnerable to earthquakes, as it falls under moderate damage risk zone 7 of earthquake. Although the city was not a threat to flooding at its inception in 1948, but due to haphazard growth since 2001, Bhubaneswar is regularly facing the threats of floods. The city, except winter snow and volcanic eruption, has experienced almost all forms of disasters over the years. In 1998, in unprecedented heat wave, there were 2,100 deaths in the state, out of which 123 were from Bhubaneswar. Most of those affected included the poor, rickshaw pullers, daily wage workers and farmers.
गर्मी इस साल सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ गई। उफ, बाप रे बाप, लोगों का जीना मुहाल कर दिया। एक तो आसमान उगल रहा है आग, दूसरे नीचे गर्म हवा की थपेड़े, लोगों का एकदम जीना मुश्किल हो गया है। पिछले 4-5 दिनों से तो मुश्किल और अधिक बढ़ गई है। इतना अधिक उमस और इतनी अधिक आर्द्रता, इससे लोगों का जीना मुहाल है। जिनको काम पे निकलना है उनकी मजबूरी है, जाना ही पड़ेगा किसी न किसी तरह से।
It was followed by another bigger disaster on 29th of October 1999. The temple city faced its worst ever devastation with a super cyclone. Heavy winds for nearly 30 hours lashed trees, hoardings, thatched houses, communication system. There was 10,000 dead in the state and destruction of life and property in Bhubaneswar was severe. Buildings were severely damaged, some beyond the scope of economic repairs. Infrastructures like road, electricity, drainage, telephone, water supply, health services, sanitation and communication facilities all got destroyed in this horrific gale. Bhubaneswar could not be contacted by the Government of India, nor could union ministers enter the state in those 30 hours of disaster by any modes of communication.